Our moon, a familiar sight in the night sky, it's been our companion for billions of years. But what if it's more than just a celestial neighbor? Some people believe the moon could be an alien spaceship. A fascinating idea, isn't it? Imagine a world hidden beneath its surface. A secret base for extraterrestrial explorers. Of course, there's no scientific evidence to support this claim. However, the moon does hold many mysteries. Its size and orbit are unusual for a natural satellite. It's tidally locked to Earth, always showing us the same face. Could these be clues to its true nature? Or are they just cosmic coincidences? We've sent probes and astronauts to the moon. They've brought back samples and data, but the moon still holds secrets. It's a place of wonder and speculation, a giant leap for our imagination. And so the question remains, is the moon really just a rock in space, or could it be something much more? The answer, my friends, lies in the vast unknown. The year is 2025. We're in a new era of lunar exploration. Private companies are joining the space race. They're sending landers and rovers to the moon. Their goal? To unlock its secrets and tap its resources. Some missions have been successful, others not so much. Recently, Firefly Aerospace landed its Blue Ghost spacecraft. New footage of the landing is remarkable. We saw the lunar dust billowing as the spacecraft touched down, an incredible achievement. But there have been setbacks too. Intuitive Machines had a lander topple over. This is the second such incident in a couple of years. These accidents highlight the challenges of spaceflight. Even with the best technology, landing on the moon is no easy feat. Despite these setbacks, we're learning more about the moon than ever before. New data is pouring in from these missions. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding our celestial companion. Soon we'll witness a celestial spectacle, a total lunar eclipse. On the night of March 13th to 14th, the Earth will pass between the Sun and Moon. Our planet's shadow will fall upon the lunar surface. For a brief time, the moon will be bathed in an eerie red glow. Eclipses have fascinated humanity for centuries. They were seen as omens, both good and bad. In 1504, Christopher Columbus used a lunar eclipse to his advantage. He was stranded in Jamaica, and the indigenous people were growing weary of providing him food. Columbus knew an eclipse was coming. He warned the locals that the moon would disappear if they didn't cooperate. When the eclipse occurred as predicted, they were terrified and agreed to help him. Today we understand the science behind eclipses. We can predict them with incredible accuracy, yet they still hold a sense of wonder. They remind us of the vastness of space and the intricate dance of celestial bodies. The idea of the moon as a spaceship is intriguing. It sparks our imagination, but the scientific community remains unconvinced. There's no credible evidence to support this theory. The moon's composition is consistent with other objects in our solar system. We've found no signs of alien technology or life. However, the moon's origin story is still debated. The prevailing theory is that it formed from debris after a Mars-sized object collided with Earth billions of years ago. This impact hypothesis explains many of the moon's characteristics. Interestingly, there's a connection between the moon and near-Earth objects. Asteroid 2024 PT5, a mini-moon temporarily captured by Earth's gravity, likely originated from the moon. This suggests other objects in near-Earth space could be lunar fragments. The cosmos is full of mysteries. The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, is no exception. While the spaceship theory remains unlikely, it reminds us to keep an open mind. As we continue to explore the universe, we may encounter wonders beyond our wildest imagination.